So this is how you access the TruMerit portal on the GRNMA Infonet. So basically, you quickly go to your browser, or you can still go to the Infonet app if you have it. So let's use the Infonet app. So you go to the Infonet app, you tap on it on your phone. When you tap on it, it opens this way for you. Then you quickly scroll, you just tap on it and scroll down, and you look for useful links. Then you tap on the link. Once you tap on useful links, you can see we have web applications here. That's the first thing. So you tap on the web applications. It brings you here. So here you tap on GRNMA Infonet. It brings you here. So once you get here, you log in. Yeah, so once you log in, okay, you just look at where your name is located. So below where your name is located, you can see a lot of different buttons. And you can see that we have register with TruMerit, okay, at the last button. You just tap on it. When you tap on it, it loads and brings you here. So here you have TruMerit, and then so you have to agree to their terms and conditions. You have to read everything. Take your time to read, and then you tap on agree. Once you tap on agree, so automatically it pulls your data from the Infonet app. This is very beautiful. Okay, it pulls your data. So you just scroll here. Have you ever purchased a TruMerit service? It is no. And then you just tap on sign up. This is very simple. So to complete your registration, you will need to verify your account. Choose your verification method, email or WhatsApp. I will send a verification code via WhatsApp. Sometimes I don't like using WhatsApp, but anyway, WhatsApp is now modifying to the point that you don't need to always have your phone before you can access it, okay? Because if you have plans of traveling outside, at first you needed to have a mobile phone, the number before you could access WhatsApp, but now it's changing. So maybe let's use the WhatsApp for now. I'll just tap on WhatsApp, then I'll click this, I'll tap on send code. So when you tap on send code, a code will be sent to your WhatsApp page. So you just go to your WhatsApp account, and you can see that I have through 30 knots. So I'll just copy the verification code, then I'll go back and I'll paste it. So realize if you paste it, it won't work, right? So then what it means is that you have to write the code and then you enter it one after the other. So this is the code 514802. Then you verify, and PAM OTP has been verified successfully. And here we are. So welcome to your account. We are thrilled to have you. To begin, please provide your date of birth. This will assist customer service in verifying your identity should you have any questions or concerns. So you enter your date of birth. So you can see you can also encounter this challenge. Okay, I'm not getting the option to scroll to select my actual date of birth. So let's try this solution. So you can get the month, you can get the day, very simple. So let's see, type on this 3 dash at the bottom. Some of you, your 3 dot might be at the top upper right corner or the top left corner. So I'll type on then you select desktop view. When you select desktop view, it brings you this. Then you tap here, and now you see you can now access it. So you just tap on your birth year, and now you put in the day, and then you put in the month. Once you are done with this, you tap on save. It loads and successful. So let me go back to the phone view. So I'll tap on the 3 dots at the bottom, or yours might be at the top. It brings me back here. Okay, so all fields marked asterisk are required. Okay, so are you private or public? So I'll just tap on, let's say public, right? So that everybody they can see it. Title, what is your title? I am Mr. If you're a doctor, a professor, you put in there. You put in your personal statement. So this is just an overview, okay? But you have to take your time and do diligent work. Write something good about yourself, your personal statement, okay? I'm just going to write something. So just something small, right? I am always ready to learn something new. Then I'll tap on save. Okay, that one is done. Then profession. You tap on it. So So we have different profession. You just scroll and you look out for what best fits you. We have critical care nurse there. I see you guys. You are the first nurses group to see here. Okay, you have clinical nurse specialists are also there. Certified nurse assistant. All right. So okay, those are there. General practitioner, health educator. Oh, nice. Nurse educator, nurse practitioner, midwife or certified nurse midwife. So, general nurses, where are we? Pediatric nurse, public health nurse is here, public health nurse specialist. So I'm a registered nurse. I've seen my, you just scroll, when you see yours, you tap on it. So, professional information. Okay, if you have other, in addition, you can add them. So currently I'm a registered nurse. I'm currently still doing other programs. So once you select that, any specialty, if you have any specialty, you can add it, right? Okay, so let's say you are a critical care nurse, you are an emergency nurse, you community health nurse, emergency and trauma, geriatric, medical, surgical, you do all those things, you can add them, okay? So after adding, you go any skills, some skills that you have. So let's say patient assessment, care planning, infection control, medication administration, vital sign monitoring, wound dressing, medication assistance, vital sign measurement, prescriptive authority, health promotion, chronic disease, evidence-based practice, advanced assessment, teaching clinical procedure. So you just scroll through, right? There are lots, but take your time. Make sure you do a very good work. Once you are done, you scroll down, then you add the 9 skills, what I've added. So I'll be going back to update this. So this is just a video to guide you guys on how you can access it. Once you are done with this, you tap on save. I'm supposed to add a specialty. So remember, we are told that any asterisk or red asterisk sign means we must fill that part. So let's say I'm currently doing emergency nursing, so I'll complete this year. So let me just add that specialty in a way. But I'll go and edit it anyway. So if you have a specialty, you add. If you don't have a specialty and you are general, just go to, probably you can see a specialty in relation to your area. If you don't have one, that will be interesting. So let's see. I'm just trying to see if I can get some general something there. Occupational therapy, health, public operating, oncology nursing, maternal home nursing care. Okay, so if you are good in home nursing care, you can select that. And then there is one thing, if you don't have a specialty here, there are other courses on this same the Goodweight group site. You can go there, take the courses, and then you will be given certificates, so you can add that specialty, okay, if they need be. All right, so you now tap on save, and then it has saved. Now professional licenses, I'm going to tap on my country. You tap on the country, search for Ghana, our beautiful country. So this is your country, that is my country. Licenses or regulatory authority, I'll search for NMC Ghana, bam. License, I'm a registered nurse currently, I'll add my license. But somebody can be a registered nurse, can be a nurse practitioner, you can, so the person could have double. So the license number, so you pick your PIN. So if your PIN has been taken by your nurse managers, your card, for the purpose of the renewal and it's not yet done yet, you can just go to your Infonet. So that is one of the beautiful thing about the Infonet. If you have updated it, and you can get all these details on it. So you can go there and you can get your registration number, your license number. So let me put my, so when you put your license, please make sure you cross-check to make sure it's correctly entered, right? Then you tap on the issue dates. So my issue date was 2021. Let's hope it doesn't get me here because the card has not been renewed yet. So let's see, issue dates 1st January 2021. So all cards mostly start at the beginning of the year and end at the 31st of the year. So 1st January. So the year, we tap on 2026 at the top, it will open the year for you. Yes. And then expiring dates, that will be December 2026. So let's see what happens. So just tap this arrow. I'm looking for December 31st, December 2026. Let's see what happened. Then I'll tap on save. Okay. So once my PIN is renewed by NMC, I'll come back here and I'll update it, right? So if you have additional license, you can add. Maybe you have some other certifications, you can put the certificate here. So we are currently doing the University of Washington CPD courses. So I'll be circulating information about it online. So please try to register and then take part in it. Okay. So if you have other licenses or other certifications, you add them. I don't have some now. I only have what I have. So I'll add my certificate if you have some professional experience. So you add your professional experience. So I'm a general nurse. Employer or organization, I'm with Ghana Health Service. Then country, I'm currently in Ghana. Start date, when did I start working? 2021. I started working 1st April 2021. Okay, I'm still working, so there's no in the description. So I work as a general nurse. Please note, I mentioned that this is for educative purposes. I'm not saying go and write what I'm writing here. I will take my time and do everything very well, because this is your personal profile that you are kind of advertising yourself. So what you write here will make people or employers to either contact you or not. So please don't just put what I'm putting here. Take your time, do your research, prepare yourself very well. Write very good things about yourself, what you do, right? Then you save. Once you save, if you have other professional experience, you can add. Your education, you add where you have your education. Add my education in Ghana. The school I attended, Bolga NTC. Okay, let me see how it will come. National Midwifery Training College. Bolga NTC. So note, this is an international site. Okay, so if you just put some abbreviated details, the employers might not know. So try to write the full name of your school as it appears on their website or as it is known. So let me just write Bogatanga Nursing Training So please take your time. Don't do this mistake that I'm doing. Okay, Nursing Training College. Okay, and then you click to add it. Then you add the school. Okay, Bogatanga Nursing Training College. But on the letterhead is Bogatanga or Bogan Nurses Training College. So this is for educative purposes. So degree, what type of degree did you have? So mostly this will be associate degree or diploma. So let's see if we can see associate degree or diploma there. There's Bachelor of Science in Nursing, that is degree in nursing. So just scroll through CNA certified program, certificates, cardiac nursing. Okay. Wow. So I had a diploma. So let's see if I have diploma in general nursing, diploma in emergency medical services, diploma. Okay. Diploma in nursing. So yes, I have diploma in nursing, but you can take your time and explore, right, and explore more. So field is nursing or general nursing. You can make general nursing. Start date, when did you start? I started in 2015. That was 5th September 2015. I think I had one of the perfect start and completion date, 5th September 2015. When did I graduate? The same 5th September 2018. So you see, as I said, it's one of the perfects. Easy to remember. So 5th September 2018. Yes. Then I'll save it. So if you have other education, you can add it. Continuing education, still a student, add your current ongoing education. So I am still a student, so I'm going to add the program I'm doing. So my country is still Ghana. I'm schooling in Ghana. School organization, KNUST. KNUST. Would I know KNUST? Let me just put it in full writing, right? So Kwame Nkrumah. Okay, so it's even there. Then I'll add. Oh, no. Yeah, so it's there. So you just select and add the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. So course name. What I'm doing is PSC Emergency Nursing. Emergency Nursing. Okay. Then year of study, it's 2 years. This started, when did I start? Somewhere October, 18th October 2025, right? 2024 rather, sorry. 18th October. I haven't completed yet, so I'll leave that open. And I'll save. So are you doing other courses? You can add it. And the language you can speak. Let me see. I speak English. Let me couple of one. That is one. Do you speak fluently? Guys, what do you think? Do I speak fluently in English? You can put that in the comment section. But I think I do. I can read fluently. I can write fluently. Is this my first language? Because it's a professional, international platform, you choose, yes, it is your first language. Congratulations on completing your registration and profile. This is your first step to beginning your career journey. Stay tuned and look for updates as we get ready to onboard global job listing in the next few months. So, bam. And I have my details updated on the site. So you can always go back and make any changes. Let's touch on the 3 dashes here. I can tap on my dashboard. So quick access to key features. Use the left side. You can read them, right? You can read them, but let me skip it. You can read them. So you are all set. Now that you have completed the dashboard walkthrough, if you have not completed your profile yet, please do. This will help you connect with employers and find opportunities that are right just for you. New features that are coming will be personalized career insight, job and employer matching, AI-powered resume builder, career advice, online learning modules, secure document storage. That will be very good. So I'll go to my profile. So that is it. If you have your resume, you can upload your resume here. You tap here, you upload your resume. And about me, this is what I wrote. Professional. You can scan through, you can see everything that you wrote about yourself. So thank you so much, guys. This is basically what it is. And then stay tuned. If there is any updates, I will let you know